Last week I mentioned to everyone that I highly recommended Swissborg as an app for buying your cryptocurrency. And one of the things you can do there is buy the Swissborg token. So their own token for using their platform. You don't need to buy it, you don't need to use it or anything, but having 2,000 of them gives you a certain bonus in terms of the amount of yield that you get from staking some of your currency, and also reduced fees as well. So that's going to be the community premium reward level that's coming out in a short period of time, I think next month or something. However, the big news today was the fact that they've now brought in Ethereum yielding. So on your Ethereum page, you can see my went from £800, and I've put in all my Ethereum from Coinbase. So Coinbase was great for me to trade through and all that kind of stuff, but it's done. There is no way for me to get any sort of interest from it, and for me to put. So the tricky thing was to get I've got like 6 Ethereum, or I had about 5.3 Ethereum to transfer over, and that was over £5,000. Now the Swissborg app, you need to go through a second level of verification to be allowed to deposit that amount of cash. I think once you're more than £5,000, £5,000 of an account, you need to go to step level 2 verification. And I had to take a photo of some letter which had my name and address verified. I was like, okay, cool. Found some medical. What was it? My prescription receipts and a GoPro subscription letter that got sent through to me. I was like, okay, photo with the app, sent it. I thought maybe I'll find out about this in a week or two. Literally 10, not even 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes later, I get a little email popping up going, that's your account verified. I was like, oh my goodness, that is amazing. Because I remember when I did it with Coinbase, I don't know whether Coinbase has speeded up now, but that was shockingly fast at how quick it was able to verify my address and account. It's clearly not just some person behind a computer having to check everything. They've obviously got some IT machine learning that can verify names and addresses and whether it's legit or not. So that was pretty impressive. So then, it was very simple. You click on I'll show you here, click on your Ethereum, go to deposit, you understand, you take you clipboard your address, and then for me I just went straight into my Coinbase trading account, which looks much smaller now, and clicking withdraw, find Ethereum, go to another address, clipboard in the address, use that address, max, and then click withdraw, and it says it does it within 35 confirmations, and there is a fee. The network fee is kind of the same whether you do a big amount or a small amount. So if I transferred 0.0006, it's going to cost me 0.004. So I was like, that's not good. But when I was transferring £7,000 there, it cost me £7. So what's that, 0.1% to actually transfer it over. So that's cool. And so with Ethereum, the email just got out today, and it is saying on the Swissborg account, if you put it into your yield wallet, so mine's all pending. I think it takes about 24 hours until it goes into the actual Ethereum yielding wallet. Ethereum is saying it will give a yield of marketplace, currently 17.5% yield. That's good. I like the idea of that. However, if since you only get that amount if you are one of their premium level owners of the tokens. If you've got to have like 30,000 tokens, which now it costs £30,000. Great if you bought in when it was a penny. So they brought in this new community level, which means if you have 2,000 of the pounds, 2,000 of the token, you get to the first level up, which gets you 0.75% of that. So instead of half, so I don't know, some number around about 10% interest that I'm getting on that. So that's cool. If I have £7,000 in there, 10% interest in a year, that's another £700 thrown on top. And that's if the value stays exactly the same. However, there is quite a lot of speculation that Ethereum, the value of the token is going to go up significantly as well. So that's going to be something I'm going to be looking forward to. So yeah, so now I've pretty much got, what is, if I show you my portfolio, it is allocation, all of it Ethereum with a bit of Swissborg, and a tiny bit of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is also something that they're going to be bringing out on the Swissborg app as well, that is going to bring in yield. I don't know what percentage, they don't know what percentages either. But then I might be buying a bit more, or I'll be moving all my stuff from Coinbase again into the Swissborg app. It just works so well. So if you want to do fun little trading, get excited about buying lots of random little currencies, Coinbase, great. If you just want to buy basics, Ethereum, Bitcoin, USD, and what I would advise Swissborg, then yeah, just dump it all in there and start making interest on it within the day. And you see it like rolling up every single day, like an extra 20 pence a day, 20 pence, 21 pence, 21 pence, 22 pence, or whatever £7,000 worth of Ethereum is going to be, whatever that is a day. That's going to be something I would be like, oh, there's my lunch paid for today. That'd be quite good. So yeah, if you've got stuff sitting in your Coinbase account, highly advise, send it over. As long as you've got more than £7, because there's about £7 fee in terms of the network fee. But yeah, Swissborg. And also, if you haven't got Swissborg already, if you haven't bought anything from that, the link in the description down below is like a referral thing. You get a potential reward. I get a potential reward. It's nothing. It's like €2 or something. And that's my dinner ready. So right, okay, that's all I had to let you know. Cheers. Bye bye.